welcome, man. Welcome back, guys. This is just a little vlog. I'm in my own personal car. I'm about to head up to Walmart, see if they got any more salmon in there for lunch. Sometime, and then cook say, hey, caravan. Oh, might be a change of plan, guys. Let me find out what's wrong with this caravan, guys. Hold on. I love me some caravans. He about to drop it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Look at my damn truck on the flat. Hey, it drives? It drives? You told it in my damn battery?
Yeah. You don't feel crazy.
Y'all don't have jump box in y'all tow truck?
Yeah, that's how I got it up on the truck.
Oh. You don't make money if you don't tow it, so that makes sense. You still want to get the tow job.
I get money from companies to jump it off.
Oh, really?
And leave it without the car, you got to pay.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
Okay. I know, right? I thought if you jump it off, you cost yourself.
Every time I get out of that damn truck, I'm making money. I don't get out of that truck unless I'm making money or I'm fucking.
That's what's up. It's something simple. Ain't nothing like a transmission in that. That's what I was thinking.
Nah, that sounds good.
Ooh, they from Cali.
Yep.
Oh. Alright, guys. Y'all hear that? The confession of a tow truck driver. They number one goal, which is everybody goal. What the hell I'm talking about? Is to make money. Okay? You don't go out to a car just to merely tow it off, but from what he say, he gonna get paid regardless. So that makes sense, guys. We gotta pay these guys, man. They don't, there's overhead when it comes to stuff like this. That tow truck costs money, rent, mortgage, or whatever. The note got to be paid on that damn truck, on that tow truck, and all kinds of things. Overhead, guys, all about overhead. So you call for some service, always expect to pay. Now, what was I before I was so rudely interrupted by a tow truck? Oh, I'm finna go to Walmart, guys. Last time I was up here getting a mic. I had lost my mic, left it in a car. The mic that I used to talk on to make the vocal sound a little decent. I left it somewhere in the car. So I went up there to get another one. And when I went to the food part, they had freaking salmon. I think the L is silent. Y'all know, well, if you don't know, I don't indulge in a lot of meat. Okay, pretty much pescatarian. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm a fish guy. So for now, you can't stay on one thing long. The only meat I will indulge in is seafood. Okay, now all that old crabs and all that old boil bag and all that, I can't do all that. Hey, look at that. Y'all see that? Oh, PT Cruiser. Ain't that a beauty, y'all? Y'all love that, don't you? I love me some PT Cruisers. Wonder where he going. I got the green light, so let me stop playing JT and move on with it. Stop joking around all the time. Nothing but a big kid. Look at all. See all the choices we have for lunch. Junk food. Now, although I don't want no greasy wings, although out of all the garbage restaurants on this street, this the main street of this city, donuts. Ooh, I can't deal with all that sugar. Then we got McDonald's. Then we got Waffle House. Every now and then I go in the Waffle House. And then we have Hardee's. And then we have Arby's right beside Hardee's. No, that's Burger King down there. I can't do none of this stuff. And why am I discussing this on the automotive channel? I don't know. I just want to talk. So, and none of that. I am about to sneak. I call it a sneak. Sneak, I refer to, look at that, Burger King. I refer to, there goes some more. Subway, I can't do all that bread. Wingstop. No. I am about, I should have went to LA Fitness, got me one in, snuck me a workout in, but I did that yesterday, guys. I beat the body up yesterday. You talk about deadlifts, you talk about bench press, all compound stuff, guys. I got one in. Alright, so yes, I actually carb backloaded yesterday, so I indulged in some heavy carbs. Alright, and it was delicious. Alright, sometimes I treat myself, especially after you work out hard. Guys, that's the best time to go ahead and eat the stuff you normally shouldn't be eating. Right after you do a heavy compound session, okay? Because in some cases, those carbs can go to areas that you want it to go in. All right, but we'll talk about that later. But right now, I'm just cruising. Look at that burger, Wendy's. I can't, not Wendy's not as bad as McDonald's. McDonald's seemed to me, and let me stop because y'all know my motto, my slogan: every place or every establishment, every business is a potential sponsor. Okay, what if McDonald's want Online Mechanic Tip to sponsor some of their hamburgers? Y'all see me on the channel going, "Hi, I'm JT. I would like to invite you to try out Mickey D's new Online Mechanic Tip burgers." Hey, it has a nice ring to it. Yes, it do. But guys, I don't know, man. Let me go Walmart. See, I told y'all it wasn't even 5 minutes. It's like 3 minutes away. So I can, however, sneak. It don't even have to be an hour break. 10-15 minutes tops. I'm back. Okay, and guys, for the record, this is my own personal car. I do not do this in customer cars. I know some of y'all are snitches. Some people like to snitch. I'm joking. But let me run into the food section right quick, guys, and see if they got some salmon in here. If they do, it is on. I'm killing that meat, man. And they only give you like one little piece, but it's $4. So how much you want, JT? You can't be expecting a big old slab of fish, which is my favorite dish, and for no $4-5. All right. So guys, I'm here. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'll see y'all on the next video. Oh, forgot my mask. Oh no! Damn! No salmon? Tomorrow?